In this part, I would like to show all of you how to create work breakdown structure, or we call WBS. So we have two ways for create WBS. So the first is we just see on the left icons. We can see over here. We just put the mouse on it. We can see WBS. Or the second method, you go to the projects and click on the WBS. So we have two ways for create the WBS. So click on the icons and then we move to the WBS, and then we need to create the work breakdown structure in this part. So for create it, we just move the cursor to the right hand and see the icon. So just click on add, and in this part I divide in two main parts. For the first is underground structure and the second is superstructure. So I divide in two. So the first is substructure, and the second is I move to the left for the same levels. So the second is superstructure. And for in this main part, I has many activity. For example, for the substructure, I has basement floor. So I click on the arrow here for add icons, and I put the name like basement floor. Basement floor. In basement floor, we have two types. Like I has the activity like earthwork, and the second is concrete work. And for the superstructure, I has we make many activity from the ground floor until the 15 floors. So now I just create from the ground floor until the 5th floors. So click on the buttons and then I just give the name ground floor, and then 1st floor, the 2nd floor, the 3rd floor, and the 4th floor, and the last one, the 5th floor. So after we create it already, we can view our work breakdown structure. So for view it, we just see this icon. So just click on the chart view, and we will show the activity as so in this video. So the first is the residential building, and I divide into the substructure and superstructure. For the substructure, I divide it as basement, one basement, and has with earthwork and concrete work. And for the superstructure, from the ground floor until the 15th floor. So now I just create from the ground floor until the 5th floors. So it is the way how to create the work breakdown structure.